All right. Hope you can hear me now. Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Renner, and today we are going to be talking about some vocabulary that we're going to need for our unit. And you see a couple of them here. I talked about them yesterday. The word resources is resources are things that we need from nature. It's actually anything that we need in order to get something done. It's the things that we need to source something, things we need from nature. And here are some examples of resources. I'm not going to say them because you're going to guess them later. And finally, pollution. You maybe know what pollution is, or at least you've heard of the word, but pollution is simply poison that is in nature. And we talked a lot about that yesterday. Rachel Carson wrote a very important book about pollution in nature. Well, today we are going to be reading a story called It's Arbor Day. You can turn to page 504. It's Arbor Day has 5 vocabulary words, and then we'll go over those 5 words, okay? That didn't work. And then we'll go like that. And let's also zoom in just a little bit. There we go. Perfect. Not so much. Okay. It's Arbor Day. You guess what are the resources they're talking about and see if you can guess what these words mean. We'll go over them in a little bit. It's Arbor Day. Join friends and neighbors for Arbor Day this Saturday at Centertown Park. Why do we celebrate Arbor Day? It is no mystery. Oh, it's no mystery means that it's easy to guess. Mystery is something that we don't know. People love trees. We plant trees on this day and discuss ways to preserve them. That means we discuss ways to save them. Everyone wants the privilege of enjoying trees in the future. A privilege is something that you get. It all started in the 1870s when J. Sterling Morton, a man from Nebraska, called on neighbors to plant trees. Stop. Ugh. This idea caught on with folks on the treeless plains of Nebraska. Soon, with irrigation, which is a way of watering farms and bringing water to places that need it, with irrigation, the people were able to cultivate trees across Nebraska. That just means to grow trees. Trees give shade from the sun. Trees also help to keep soil in place. Join the fun and plant a tree this Saturday, which is not this Saturday. It actually is in June, but it's coming up, isn't it? So, what were the words that we saw here? Well, 3 of the words are right here. Cultivate means to grow. Mystery is something that happens with no explanation for why. We don't know why it happened. It's a mystery. And preserve is to keep something from changing in order to keep it or to save it. And another word, privilege, the honor or pleasure of seeing or doing something special. It means you get to do something special. I have the privilege of being with 3rd grade and Mrs. Moore and Mrs. Becker this year. Some of you have the privilege of being in Ms. Becker's class also. It is an honor, something special that you get to do or see. Irrigation is just watering plants, bringing water to dry areas. Okay? That is your activity. I'm sorry, that is your video for today. Your activity is here. This is from yesterday. Rachel Carson, the story of Rachel Carson. You could finish this page up, and I will talk with you all tomorrow. All right, bye, everybody.